Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add multiple accounts on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at top right corner of the screen. And now you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you will find the very last option, that is logout. First logout of your account. Now tap on confirm to logout, and after this you can now tap on sign up at bottom left corner of the screen, and here you can just simply enter the details that the Snapchat is required to you. And this is the way you can add multiple accounts on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.